ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Nong yalam jong kaseng Congress Legislature Party Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka khatway terik ukalalingkot arjar arpuway ulapan pau bo unyay nebet hado kabakut hapo kaseng Congress watla uyay mat ye kino ki jing bat ye ki Diengpyngkiang kumba uladep mat ha ki pratali ki snem balalay no manba udang long kum menteri rang ba jong kajala Meghalaya Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau ye kane hadin baka khubor hamsaya kala hairstet hado kata-kata bakin sadon ki MLA jong kaseng Congress ki bansalait penyeso no yaladi syaka parti BJP hagisngi ki bansawan haka jingi keren bat kilat pathai khubor Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong bakampher wat laki nong yalam ki rung bat ki mi bat hakajo kapor ki lait bat ki wan henry kum unong yalam unam no satyaya ka parti Congress wat lada kalong hakano konoru ka camp
See, our party has gone through all the challenges. In 99, our one of the very senior leaders who is no longer with us, who have been groomed and nurtured by the party, left the party, floated a new party. So there was a kind of a situation where people thought, okay, Naya party nikla hai, a new party has come, what will the fate of the Congress? We remain. We have withstood the test of time. In 2018, people who were in the government, friends, my colleagues in the erstwhile government, who had the privilege of being in the cabinet for almost 5 years and preceding that also, they left us. So these kind of challenges will always unfold and confront every political party, not just Indian National Congress. It will confront every political party at one point or other. These are expected line of challenges which we are always prepared to face and somehow know and prepare how to, navigate during that kind of challenging situation. So we know how to navigate. We have an inherent strength as an organization. So I have said also earlier, leaders will come and leaders will go, but Indian National Congress shall remain. Okay, it's as simple as that, and I want to be as blunt as this. Privileged to be the member of the CLP who has been vested with the responsibility of leading the CLP. And with all my wherewithal, I know who is doing what. Okay. I know whose intentions are what. Simple. Okay. But as I have said, we know how to navigate as a party, as an organization. And we will be confronted by challenges. There is no shortcut in politics. No shortcut in building a political party. Therefore, we know what to do. As I have said, we know how to navigate during the most challenging circumstances. In other words, you have to understand one thing. Other political parties will always have their agenda to weaken Indian National Congress. It is their agenda. It is expected. That's why you saw one of our elected members, the member of the CLP, who fell victim and resigned from the membership. Okay. Ultimately forcing a by-election to fill up the vacant post. So these are already something which we have seen. So there is this attempt from the very beginning, from the day one. So that's why I'm saying the attempt will go on. But we know how to navigate. We know how to keep our fold together. And we know what to do when elections are near. This is 2021. We have only this year. Next year will be more or less like an election. So we are prepared. If the elections are held now, we are prepared. If elections are held next year, we are prepared. Of course, if the elections are held in 2023, after the end of the 5 years normal term of the House, then we are prepared. And we know what's there in the mind of the people. We know what's the narrative. We know what is the conversation going on amongst the people, among different section of people. We are connected with different sections of people across the diverse section of the people of the state. So as a party, therefore, we strategize and we know how to navigate.